How to make strawberry. Step 1. Draw strawberry on paper. Step 2. Put the food coloring into the flour. Step 3. Put the glue in the strawberry area. Step 4. Put the flour mix into the glue area. I hope you like this my activity. Bye bye. Stay at home, okay? Bye.